Welcome to Coding Classic. In this video, we will learn how to create Shop Now button using HTML and CSS. Before we start, if you are new here, kindly subscribe for more videos. Let's start. Create your HTML and CSS file. Add your boilerplate. Edit the title if you want to. I used font-icon on this project. Let's copy the CDN and place it on the head of our project to use it. I used version 6 beta 3. Copy the link. Paste it at the head of your project. Start adding your HTML structure. All we need is just a button, which is the Shop Now button. Let's link our CSS file and we are done with HTML. Here is the preview of HTML structure. Let's start styling our project. Starting from the body, just to center our button. I forgot to add display flex. Is now in the center. Let's style our button. Let's style our icon. Finally, let's style our button when it is active. We are done and here is the preview. Hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and comment. Thank you.